Hey everyone, so today I want to talk about something that's been popping up everywhere lately, the so-called Japanese pink salt trick recipe for weight loss. You might have seen ads all over social media claiming that this simple recipe can help you lose a huge amount of weight, like over 50 pounds, in just 2 weeks, and all without any exercise. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? These ads usually feature women saying that this pink salt recipe uses just 4 common kitchen ingredients and takes less than a minute to prepare. They say it's completely natural, has no side effects, and burns fat super fast, like 3.3 pounds in just 24 hours. Some even claim it works better than expensive treatments like those Burnjaro pens you hear about. And to make it sound even more convincing, the ads say it's been featured on major media outlets like The Today Show, and that Harvard and Oxford research backs it up. Plus, there are all these testimonials from people saying it's life-changing and that celebrities use it too. But here's the thing. As soon as I heard these claims, I got suspicious. Losing 53 pounds in just 2 weeks. That's just not how weight loss works. Medical experts agree that safe and healthy weight loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week. Trying to lose that much so quickly can be dangerous and isn't realistic without extreme measures. So that claim alone is a huge red flag. Another big warning sign is how the ads guarantee rapid fat loss, exactly 3.3 pounds in 24 hours. The truth is, fat loss is never that precise or guaranteed. Everyone's body responds differently, and it definitely doesn't happen in neat little chunks like that. When you see ads promising exact numbers in such a short time, it's usually a scam tactic. Then there's the part where they say, Harvard and Oxford confirmed this trick. That sounds fancy, but there's no real proof or credible source backing that up. It's a classic example of fake authority endorsements, just name-dropping big universities to make the product seem legit. But no respected institution has ever endorsed a pink salt weight loss recipe like this. Now, that was just one ad. The crazy thing is there are hundreds of variations of these ads, all pushing the pink salt recipe and promising you can lose weight in just a few days. Every single one of them has a button to click for a full video showing you how to make the recipe with these simple ingredients. Curious, I decided to click the link. What I found was a super long video, nearly an hour. The video starts with a fast-moving progress bar, making you think the reveal is coming soon. But as it goes on, the bar barely moves at all. The video spends most of the time hyping up the story, talking about how scientists discovered this secret recipe, why it's so unique, and how others don't want you to know about it. It's full of unrealistic claims meant to keep you hooked. But here's the kicker. When the video finally ends, instead of giving you the recipe, it pushes you to buy a supplement. In my case, it was something called Alpha Chews. In other versions, it might be called Burnjaro or something else. It varies, but the pattern is the same. They want you to buy their expensive supplement, not actually show you any real secret trick. And from what I saw, these supplements themselves also make crazy promises that don't hold up to scrutiny. So it seems like the whole thing is just a ploy to get you to spend money on products that don't work. So my advice, don't fall for these flashy ads. They're full of hype, unrealistic promises, and fake endorsements. They're designed to make you curious and then pressure you into buying a supplement that likely won't deliver what it promises. I tried to find any real information about this pink salt recipe or its ingredients, but there's basically nothing credible out there.